My dear friend, I am Vijay Kumar Pal. My name is Vijay Kumar Pal. I have written 10 books, that is Invaders and Hidden Facts by Vijay Kumar Pal, published on Rudra Publication, Bilaspur. Discriminated Hindus by Vijay Kumar Pal, published on the uh, um, Shashwat Publication, Bilaspur. And third book, Blender of Blasphemy, published on the Astapta Publication, Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh. And when you search these three books, all the books will be disclosed before you on the tablet or the computer or the mobile. And these books you can purchase Amazon, Flipkart, Google, etc. And these books are related to the expose the Islamic Gunism. So my new topic, the today topic is madrasa are the buildings. So Islamic Gunism cannot be supported by walls of the madrasas. But actual terrorists are modern madrasa children, and they are fostering mother of the Gunism, the Quran verses. Unholy Quran is the full of hatred, stupidity, and violence against women and the humanity. All madrasa Muslims Mus- uh, Muslims turn into all the madrasas must be turned into hospital and toiletries or the laboratories, because laboratory is more holy than the Islamic madrasas. Laboratory is that the facility or the amenity who provide you the many physical relief as the excreta discharge of the excreta etc. But the madrasas are the training center of those innocent children or infant children who do not know what type his prophet was or their prophet was. Actually, so-called Prophet Muhammad, who was the prophet of the Islam, is not a true person or not a good person. And he created a fallacy of the Allah for his vested interest as conquering the lands of the non-Muslims. At that time, the Jews and the Christians were in majority in the Saudi Arabia or alongside the Saudi Peninsula, including the uh, Lebanon. Lebanon was the majority of the Christians, and the Misr majority of the Christians, Saudi Arabia majority of the Jews, and the Persia or the Iran was the majority of the uh, uh, Zoroastrians or the Parsis. But after the launching this unguided or misguided missile by Muhammad, so-called Muhammad, Prophet of the Islam, this misguided missile destructed the whole harmony and the whole humanity throughout the world. Because the base principle of Islam is only to spread the violence or to bloodshed or bloodbath and killings and the rapes of the non-Muslim women. And this is why the Prophet Muhammad established the special buildings for this Gunism of Islam or the teaching of Islam, which is written in the Quranic verses and so many hadiths. So the madrasa is the building. Madrasa is nothing wrong. Madrasa is a building. If this building became a hospital, then this building will be the serving center of the patient. But if this building converted into madrasa, this building is the havoc for the society. So we can we we do not you do we do not close the or do not destruct the buildings of the madrasas. This is not the way. But we have to convert these madrasas in hospitals, in laboratories, in toilets, or other civil amenities. As for using the school or the many government offices throughout the world, because is these building will be remain as a madrasa, means these buildings are the epic center of terrorism of the Islam, and Islam is the synonymous of the terrorism. There is no difference between the Islam and terrorism. Who says that uh, there is no reason for any terrorist. Certainly, the terrorist has religion if he is Muslim, because Islam itself is terrorism, and Islam promote the terrorism instead of the violence against the non-Muslims or the Kafirs. So many verses of Quran are against the non-Muslims or the Kafir. And in chapter 2, chapter 9, chapter 5, Surah Al-Baqarah, Al-Ma'idah, and Al-Tawbah are the prime chapters which are provoking the violence against the women, against the non-Muslims, which is known as the kafir in the Quran and the Islamic jurisprudence. So we can say that we have no hesitation that the madrasas are the buildings. Madrasas has no fault, because wall of madrasa cannot commit a heinous crime. This crime are being committed by those students, those teachers, those those children who are below age of 18s, which are learning the lesson of the Quranic violence, the Quranic violent ideology, or the Gunism of the Islam. And the Gunism of Islam is the resonance of the facilitate the violent theory by so-called Prophet Muhammad. So the reflection of the Gulism in the Islam is the reflection of the heinous crime or deeds which was committed by Prophet Muhammad and his companions when they were alive. So you see, in many hadiths of the Islamic jurisprudence, it has been read or it has been stated that a non-Muslim cannot alive until he he must pay to a extortion money which is known as the jizya, or he has to convert in as a Muslim. Means the stupidity of the Islam, if a non-Muslim convert into a Muslim, he became a violent, became a goon, became a anti-human, roaming goon of this world. And these Islamic goons are roaming here and there. Even though if the Islamic countries are stating that, or the Taliban are stating that the attack on the Red Fort, on the road of the Red Fort in New Delhi, where so many casualties have been happened. This is not a way. They have no right to say against this Islamic terrorism, because Taliban itself, the origin of the terrorism, the Talibani people or the Talibani government is purely Muslims. They are doing act as their beloved so-called Prophet Muhammad did, that the heinous crime against the non-Muslim. As we are well aware, when the Taliban uh, came to Afghanistan and recaptured the democratic government by unfair means, by hook and crook or by force. So this is way of Islam. Islam does not recognize the democracy among the countries. Islam does not recognize the human and social evenness in any country, because Islam is protecting the unevenness. Even we can criticize the untouchability of India, but we cannot criticize the unevenness or untouchability of the Islam, because according to Islam, every non-Muslim is untouchable, and in sense of in sense of that language, he is filthy, he is najas. The Arabic word najas literally mean in Hindi ganda, poti jitna ganda, or in English the filthy, just like a stool. But we cannot criticize the Islam, but these neo-Buddhists of the India and some so-called Dalit leaders are criticizing the untouchability of the Hindu Vedic culture, though this is not the part of the Hindu Vedic culture. And In any book of the Vedas, it has not been defined that every man on the basis of birth is lower or higher in the hierarchy. So this caste hierarchy on the basis of birth is totally false, and the fallacy of the so-called priest, some cunning priest, which are known as the Brahman, the some parts or majority parts of these Brahmans who was forfeited by the prophets of the temples, and this is why they protected the untouchability and unevenness or the social hierarchy by the caste, birth-based caste. But there is no instance in any Vedic culture that there is a caste by birth. This is the dilemma. We must read the Vedas. We must read the jurisprudence of the original Sanatan Vedic culture. The Ramcharitmanas is known as the synonymous of the Sanatan Vedic culture. This book was written by a poet which is known as the Goswami Tulsidas. But this book is written not before ago or long ago. This book in the 15th century, at the time of when the kingdom of the Delhi or kingdom of India captured by these Mughals. So Ramcharitmanas is the holy book, because this book also differentiate between the woman, man, Sudra, etc. The Sudra word does not perform the negative aspect in Vedas, but which is doing the heinous crime, he was Sudra. And who are the brave were the Kshatriya. Though the Varna Vyavastha is not now as effective, and now no need of this Varna Vyavastha of the Sanatan Vedic culture. So let us know about the Islam. The Islam creates a great havoc, the great spread, the great violence against the whole world. On the other side, the all are the non-Muslims, which are the filthy, which are the liable to kill by the hand of the Muslims. And on one side, only the Muslims who believes that they are superior, their Allah is superior, and there is no creator except God or except Allah. It is another question, but Allah, who is the creator of the universe, he does not know even single ABCD of the creation of this universe or this earth. Because in a verse of the Quran, Allah stated that earth is static and the sun moving around the earth. This stupidity of the Allah of the Islam. So this Allah is created by so-called Prophet Muhammad. And the Islam is not the words of the Allah, but these words of the Muhammad and his companions. And the all Quran were declared due to only the Warqa bin Noble, a nearer relative of the Prophet Muhammad, who was a Christian or never adopted the Islam. And he befooled the Muhammad, and his wife Khadija bin Khalid also befooled the Muhammad. Muhammad had many mental disorder. He was mentally retired person. He was narcissist. He was pedophile, and he was engaged to take more benefits by robbery of the caravans of his companions or his clan members. Abu Sufyan was the first cousin of so-called Prophet Muhammad, but he robbed so many times Abu Sufyan caravans only to fulfill his lust of the sex, lust of the wealth, and the lust of the power. So he was totally mentally retarded, or perhaps at that time, in this time, if he was alive, Prophet Muhammad uh, would be alive, he will be in jail of the India or any other of the country throughout the world according to the rule of law, except the Islamic countries, because Islamic country has no rule of law. They are the goons. They are the killers. They are the rapists. And those all Arabian countries which were converted the Muslims from the Christianity or from the Judaism or from the Zoroastrianism or the Parsism, they are now the killers and the rapists of the non-Muslims of the Arabian people. This is the history of the Islam, and madrasas are the building where the Islamic Gunism are being protected by these Islamic Maulanas, which are certified goons, which are the certified vagabonds, which are the certified mentally retarded people, which are the certified army of mentally disturbed people. Because by the teaching of Islam, which is a totally a mental, which is the totally a teaching who only a mental disturbed person can believe on this ideology. And according to law of the India or the rule of Allah throughout the world, Islam is a totally criminology and the Quran is the criminology. So we must fight against this criminology book, that is the Quran, not against the Muslims. But it is our duty to pacify the Muslims, and we must told them that your prophet was a vagabond. He was a ordinary below level than of the ordinary person. He was a hardcore criminal who committed so many crimes in the name of the Allah or the fellowship of Allah, which was created by Muhammad. So madrasa must be converted in the hospitals, educational institution. Institutional does not mean the Islamic institution, but the institution for the secularism. And Islam has no secularism at all. This is why everywhere Islam created havoc, disturbance, bomb blasts, killings by the rough driving in the Madrid or in the United States of America or the United Kingdom, anywhere where these Islamic goons are roaming, they are killing the people, because this is the teaching of the Islam. So I hope this video you will impress this video and put the bell icon and subscribe this channel, because when you subscribe my channel and put the bell icon, you will get notification in the same time. Thank you very much. See you.